we are going to see how to connect Python Flask application with Google App Script. Then we will see how to deploy this Python application from Google Workspace to Cloud Run. As I understand that we cannot able to use Google script directly in the Python application. So I am try to create as a front end using Python Flask. So this is the file, template file is a main file, and the other forms. Then I create the app.py for to run the applications. After that I create one more file, a Docker file. It will help us to deploy the application in Cloud Run. So here in this application, what we are going to do, we are entering some informations. This informations will go and save in the Cloud SQL, Google Cloud SQL. What I am doing here, I am not connect the Cloud SQL directly in the application. I use Google App Script as a API to push the data what I am entering in the Python application to database. Then I will send email to the user. So we will see now how the application will look. Python app.py. Yeah, now we will see this application. I create simple application to use. After this we enter some informations, then we will submit. When we submit, I call the API which is created using Google App Script. So this is the application, so we no need to forget that we need to add this all scope to get related access. So here I use, this is the database connection. I keep all the information regarding database credentials. Then I use this as a API to connect with this Python Flask. Here when I push, it will save in the database. Then I will send email to users. After complete this, I will we need to confirm that we need Docker file to push into the cloud. We can use two methods. Using gcloud command, we can push into the into Cloud Run, or we can use this option to push into Cloud Run. First it will create as an image, then if everything fine, then it will deploy into Cloud Run. So here I will use the direct option here. Once is ready, I will deploy here. Once deploy, I will see this deployed function application in Cloud Run. Yeah, now it's deployed. See, this is the link we will get once application deployed. So now it's deploying Cloud Run. So as I said, that I use the Google Apps Script API here to push the data into the Cloud SQL. So this is the API is created using Google Apps Script. When you submit the data, it will push into this API and save in the database. Hope you get some idea to work easily using Google Apps Script. Thank you very much.